Welcome back to the Basics Hub. Today we're diving into heartwarming DIY gifts that will make your family smile and maybe even shed a tear. Let's grab our supplies and create unforgettable projects that warm the hearts of our loved ones. Segment 1. Personalized Family Recipe Book. Materials needed: binder, printed recipes, family photos, decorative paper, hole punch. Gather recipes. Call up Grandma and Auntie Sue for their favorite recipes. Handwritten notes? Even better. Design it. Use a binder and decorative paper for sections like Grandma's favorites. Add personal touches. Print recipes and include family photos. Leave blank pages for new favorites. Pro tip: scan those old recipe cards to preserve Grandma's handwriting. Segment 2. Handprint Family Tree Canvas. Materials needed: large canvas, acrylic paints, paintbrushes, permanent markers. Prepare canvas. Sketch a basic tree outline. Perfection isn't necessary. Handprint magic. Use different colors for each family member's handprints. Personalize it. Label each print with names and birth dates. Hang it as a beautiful reminder of your roots. Segment 3. DIY Memory Jar. For this project, you'll need a large glass jar, some decorative paper, ribbon, note cards, and pens. First, decorate your jar. Make it fabulous with paint or stickers. Next, have everyone write down their favorite moments from the year. Then, on New Year's Eve, read them together, like opening a joyful time capsule. Segment 4. Custom Storybook. You'll need a blank notebook and some colored pencils or markers. Start by brainstorming your story. Create an adventure where everyone is the hero. Then, illustrate away. Bring your story to life with fun drawings. Finally, bind your masterpiece by printing or hand-drawing your pages and adding a dedication. Segment 5. Family Game Night Kit. Gather some game board materials, dice, cards, and homemade snacks. First, create custom games. Design board games featuring family locations. Next, it's snack attack time. Bake treats like cookies to include in your kit. For the finishing touch, use a decorated box to hold everything, and add printed game rules along with a personal note. And there you have it, 5 heartwarming DIY gifts that will make your family feel cherished this holiday season. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you love these ideas, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative inspiration. I can't wait to see your DIY creations.